Kenobi, let me ask you, what did you think of Team Average's second try? My thoughts exactly, average at best. So buddy, whenever you're ready, come right on out here and we'll show these people exactly what dancing is all about. So DJ, let's hit it!
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. 성숙해 보이지만 볼 때 노는 여자 이때라 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 못해 노는 선어해
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please give one more round of applause for Kenobi.
All right, now that is what I call dancing, ladies and gentlemen. But you know what? I think just the consolation prize, we're gonna get a shot of, well, one expert dancer and Chris here together for the memory books.
Sounds good to me because we are great sports. So Team Average, come have a seat right here on the slide out. Make sure you keep your hands in your lap. Go ahead, sit right down. And Kenobi is going to come right on up next to you. And we're going to take a great shot of our two amazing dancers. Excellent. Good job, buddy. Oh, keep your hands right there. Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, our two team members. Beautiful.
All right, well, Team Average, your work is cut out for you now. Because up next is our agility competition. That's right, folks. Now in this part of the show, contestants will be judged based on their ability.